Hey everybody! Time for another weekly check-in. Ooh, I wish I had better news for you this week. Now how these videos work is this is kind of a blanket feedback for the whole class. Some of you did a great job and your grade reflects that. But there were enough mistakes with this post that I had to make a list of things to address with you. Let's go ahead and review that list. First and foremost, you need to use the book as the foundation of your post. Some of you alluded to the book, but you didn't cite or reference it. Some of you derailed from the book completely. Everybody needs to be using the book as the foundation of the post. If you want to branch out from there and use empirical resources to support your post, that's great, but the book has to be the #1 foundation of your post. It helps to keep you on topic and ensure that you're writing accurate information. Some of you missed out on defining the exact definition of a behavioral teratogen because you departed from the book. So you focused more on a teratogen instead of how that's different from a behavioral teratogen. Word count matters. This is not Facebook. You don't just post a few words and you're done. There is a word count minimum for a reason. What you write is my gauge. So as much as you can tell me is what I have to go on to grade you for your understanding of the concept of the week. APA style is also an issue. There is a brief tutorial video in our discussion thread. It's about 5 minutes, and you can also ask me for help with APA style if you want to run it past me and see if what you've got is correct. For your reference entry, all you've got to do is look at the first page of the syllabus, and you can copy and paste the textbook information from there to use as your reference entry. Please, please, please ask me for help. I'm a real person and I'm here to help you. I do want to see you succeed. Your success is important to me. You can ask me for help with your ideas on posts. Say, I've thought about this, am I on the right track? And you can also ask me for help with APA style. So please, please, please ask for help. That's why I'm here and I'm happy to do so. One thing I would recommend is giving yourself enough time to reflect on what you've read for the week and to post early. What I mean by that is if you post between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, those are the times when I'll be checking the thread and I can respond to you during that time frame and give you the opportunity to revise and repost in an effort to earn more points. So this video check-in is blanket feedback, but each one of you has individual feedback in the D2L grades feature. So all you have to do is log in and check your grades and you'll get personalized feedback from me, and I will do that every single week. So here's where we stand. You have nowhere to go but up from here. I expect quality work because I know that you can do it. I know you can. This is just the beginning, and I'm here to help you. You are not alone in this. You don't have to go it alone. Let me help you, and I think you have nothing to do but improve from here. Please let me know if I can assist you. You know I'm happy to do so. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you for the next check-in.